and all. In previous session, we discussed about the basic introduction of multiplexer. In today's session, we discuss how to design a multiplexer or how to implement a multiplexer using 8:1 concept. So, we are using a 8:1 multiplexer to design this method. Now, I will take a small example to design this one. F of A, B, C, D is equal to summation M of 0, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12. This is one of the example to implement a 8:1 multiplexer. Now we have to design a 8:1 multiplexer. So before going to design an 8:1 multiplexer, we have to remember some concept. We have to remember some concept. That very important note for to designing the concept. First note, if the value should be a 0, 0, then we have to connect it as a 0. If the value should be 1, 1, 1 and it should be connected as a 1. Now, similarly, if the value should be 0, 1 should be connected as a D. And if the value should be 1, 0 and it should be connected as a D bar. This is very important note to remember to design an 8:1 multiplexer. Yes, we'll start the problem how to design an 8:1 multiplexer, and this is very important question for examination point of view. Surely it appears for 8 to 10 marks in the examination. Now, I will take, there are 4 input A, B, C, D. Take this as A, B, C, D. Clear? Now, write as an 8, 4, 2, 1 method. You have to write it as an 8, 4, 2, 1 method. So, 8, 4, 2, 1 method. So, A, B, C, D. 8:1 multiplexer. And another one important note. We are designing an 8:1 multiplexer. 8:1 multiplexer means 0 to 7, 8 inputs. Correct? But here we are using a 4, A, B, C, D. It indicates as a 16 input. Now we have to reduce it to 8:1 multiplexer. How we will reduce it to 8:1 multiplexer? It will indicate as a 16 inputs. But we have to reduce it to 8:1 multiplexer. So write it as an 8, 4, 2, 1 method. First, initially 0, 0, 0, 0. Clear? For this one, 0. Next, for 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 indicates 1. Clear? Next, for 2, 0, 0, 2 indicates 1 and remaining will be 0. Next, 3, 0, 0, 2 plus 1, 0, 1, 1. Similar 4 method, 0, 0, 0, 1, like that you have to write. In PUC we have discussed about that all those things concept, and also first year that electronics subject also will written as a similar. Simultaneously we have to write as a 7 inputs also. Next, 4, 0, 4 indicates 1 and remaining is 0. Next, 5, 0, 4, 1 plus 2. Clear? Next, 6, 6 indicates 4 plus 2. Remaining will be 0. 4 plus 2. Remaining will be 0. Next, 6 after that 7. We have to write up to 0 to 15. 7 indicates 4 plus 2 plus 1. How much? 0, 1, 1, 1. Next, 8. 8 indicates only 1. 1. Remaining will be 0. Next, 9. 1, 0, 0. Or 1. 8 plus 1, 9. Next, 10. 1, 0, 1, 0. Next, 11. 1, 0, 1, 1. Next, 12. 1 plus 1, 0, 0. Next, 13. 1, 1, 0, 1. Next, finally, 14. 1, 1, 1, 0. Loss is all should be 1. 8 plus 4, 12, 12, 14, 15. So totally all the inputs should be 1. This is the first input. It indicates 0 to 15. It indicates 16:1 multiplexer. Now we have to reduce to 8:1 multiplexer. Bifur 2. Bifur 2 inputs as a consider as a single input. I think all of you are understanding. Now we are reduced to 8:1 multiplexer. Clear? Now this is the expression summation m of 0, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12. We have to indicate this value should be 1. We have to add this value should have a 1 and remaining will be a 0. It means 0 indicates here 0 indicates 1. This is the output y. 0 indicates 1 and 1 is not there, 2 is not there. 1 is not there, 2 is not there. So we have to indicate a 0. 3 is there. We have to indicate a 1. 4 is not there. 5 is there. Indicate as a 1. 6 is there. 7 is there. 8 is there. 9 is not there. Indicated as a 0. Clear? Next. 10 is not there. 0. 11 is there. Indicated as a 1. 12 is there. And 13 is not there. Indicated as a 0. And 14 is not there. 15 is not there. So this is the output. After this, now come to this important node. Now we have to start. So 0, 1 indicates B, 1, 0 indicates B bar, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 indicates B, 1. Clear? Now 1, 0 indicates, see here, 1, 0 indicates what is the value? D bar. Clear? Next, 2, 3. 0, 1 indicates D. 0, 1 indicates D. 1, 1 indicates 1. 1, 0 indicates D bar. And 0, 1 indicates D. 1, 0 indicates D bar. And 0, 0 indicates 0. Now, another one important note. Both the values should be 0. This is 0. Both the values should be 0. 0 means low. Low means we have to connect it as a ground. This is very important. 0 should be connected to a ground. And both are high. Then the value should be a high. Then it should be connected to a VCC. See here. Where is the value? 1. 1 means VCC. And 0 means ground. This is very important. Clear? Now, we have to design an 8:1 multiplexer. Before going to design an 8:1 multiplexer, and so many are asking about some of the important method to solve this. How we will solve the implementation, and before going to design a circuit, what is the meaning of D and D bar? This is very important. Here, 0 should be converted to 1. It means 0 should be converted to reverse to that 1. Correct? Complement of that 1. If 1 to 0 or 0 to 1, complement of that 1. Complement indicates not gate. There are basic gates of the AND or not. So complement should be indicated 0 and 1 should be a not gate. So we are using a D and D bar. 0 is a low. So 0 is a low. Then 1 is a high. Like that, 1 is a high and low. So low means D, high means D bar. So D to D bar we have to calculate. Now we have to design and construct and multiplexer. How we will design 8:1 multiplexer? We are using a IC pin code as 74151. This is very important question. We are designing an IC pin code 74151. IC pin. This is the circuit. And this is the important 74151. And before that, in basic gate, 7400 is there, IC pin 7408, 7404, these are all for AND or 743 for OR. Like that, so many IC pins are there. In next coming classes, I will discuss about all the configuration of pins. Now, for 74151, we are using a 16 IC pin. How much? 16 IC pin. So this is 1, D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. 16 IC pin. And 16, this is 16. 16 should be connected to VCC, high. Always 16 should be connected to high in this 74151 IC configuration. And 7, 8, 7 and 8 should be connected to always ground. Clear? 7 and 8 should be connected to a ground. 1 minute. Here. Right here. 7 and 8 should be connected to, this is ground. And 6 no connection. And 5 always output. This is the standard format for 74151 IC pin. Now I will write a configuration. This is 74151 configuration, and the pin should be like this. Clear? Now listen here. Here 15, 14, 13, 12, next 4, 3, next 2. We have to write like this. 1. This is the configuration. Now write this as a D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. So 8:1 indicates a 0 to 7, right? So indicate this as a D0. This is D1, this is D2, this is D3, this is D4, this is D5, this is D6 and finally this is D7. So this box contains D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. Now we will collect the value. Before going to collect the value, here D and D bar is there. D and D bar indicates a NOT gate. Clear? NOT gate. Write one NOT gate here. Clear? This is D. Upper layer, low and high. D bar. Clear? Now we have to collect the value. First, D0. Here, see here. First box is D0. D0 should be connected to where? D bar. This is D0. Connected to D bar. Directly we have to give a connection. Next, D1 should be connected to D. Come up and connect directly, give it connection to D. Next, D2 connected to D2 is connected to also D. Clear? Next, D3 is connected to 1. Here, D3 connected to 1. Here only VP plus VCC. 1 indicates a VCC, right? Height. We have to connect the pin to a pin number 16. We have to give a connected to pin number 16. Next, D4 should be connected to D bar. D4 where it is? Here. D4. Next, D5 should be connected to D. D. And D6 should be connected to D bar. D bar. Here. And finally, D7 should be connected to where? Ground. So finally, we have to verify a multiplexer. How we will verify? Using a active line or select line. So how we will write the select lines and major thing. So 9, 10, 11. There are 3 pins are missing. Clear? So we have to write a select line. So for 8:1 multiplexer, how many select lines? 3 select lines. For 4:1, 2 and 2:1, 1 select line there is. Here they are constructing the 8:1 multiplexer. So we have to use 3 select lines. This is 9, 10 and 11. So we got as an A, B, C. So we have to give a connection to a 9, 10, 11. 9, 10, 11. These are the 3 inputs. Some of the students are asking about this question. Only 3 inputs are there. Here we are asking a 4 inputs. Where we have to collect? These are the 3 inputs. And here another one is there. D bar. That should be connected to another one. This is D. D is an A, B, C, D. Totally 4 inputs. So there are 3 select lines, but we are using a 4 inputs. So these are all from the today's class. If you have any doubt regarding this concept, please message me in a comment box. And from upcoming sessions also I will discuss about 1 or 2 problems regarding this using don't care and without don't care also. After that we will move on to some of the basic introduction of AND or NOT and pin configuration of all the logic design method concepts. So thank you all for listening this video.